Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about basic data visualization. Data visualization is the visual depiction of data to unveil insights and trends within the data. Python offers libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn to craft a wide array of visual representations. For instance, using Matplotlib, one can generate line charts to analyze sales trends over time, or plot histograms in Seaborn to explore the distribution of exam scores in a classroom. Data visualization is vital for interpreting and analyzing data effectively. Common types of data visualizations include line charts, bar charts, scatter plots, and histograms. Line charts are ideal for showing trends over time. Bar charts are useful for comparing different categories. Scatter plots help in identifying relationships and patterns between variables. Histograms are excellent for understanding the distribution of data within a range. Each type of visualization serves a specific purpose in representing different aspects of data, providing clear insights for informed decision-making. For instance, a line chart could be utilized to track monthly sales performance, while a bar chart may be employed to compare revenue across different product categories. Scatter plots can help visualize the correlation between marketing spend and sales revenue, while histograms can illustrate the distribution of customer ages in a database. To create a line chart using Matplotlib library in Python, import matplotlib.pyplot module. Define data points for x and y coordinates. Use plt.plot to plot the data points. Set labels for x-axis and y-axis using plt.xlabel and plt.ylabel, respectively. Specify a title for the chart with plt.title. Finally, display the chart with plt.show. This example illustrates plotting a simple line chart with x as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and y as 10, 20, 15, 25. Introduction: Creating visualizations is essential for data analysis and presentation. In Python, Matplotlib is a powerful library for generating various types of plots, including bar charts. Steps 1. Import the Matplotlib library using import matplotlib.plot as plt. 2. Define the labels for the x-axis and the corresponding values for the y-axis. 3. Create a bar chart using plt.bar, labels, values. 4. Add labels to the x-axis and y-axis using plt.xlabel, categories, and plt.ylabel, values. 5. Set a title for the plot using plt.title, bar chart example. 6. Finally, display the plot using plt.show. Example usage. Suppose you have data on sales performance for different product categories A, B, C, D, with corresponding values 10, 20, 15, 25. By following the steps outlined above and running the code snippet provided, you can visualize this data in a bar chart to analyze and interpret the sales distribution effectively. Conclusion. Utilizing Matplotlib for creating visualizations like bar charts enables you to represent data in a visually appealing and informative manner, aiding in data exploration and communication. Basic data visualization is like creating a map to navigate through a city. It helps you understand and interpret complex information in a more visually appealing way. Just like how a map uses symbols, colors, and shapes to represent different locations and landmarks, data visualization uses graphs, charts, and diagrams to represent data points and trends. By using data visualization, you can easily spot patterns, anomalies, and correlations in your data. Similar to how a map helps you see the best route to your destination. Converting basic data visualization into a program is like creating a virtual tour guide for the city. It provides a user-friendly interface to interact with and explore the data in a dynamic and interactive way.
Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, expert guidance, coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Visit our site and take your coding dreams to new heights.
The code begins by importing the matplotlib.pyplot module, a popular data visualization tool in Python. It then defines sample data for visualization, months representing the months of the year, and sales representing the corresponding sales figures. Next, a bar chart is created using plt.bar function, where the x-axis represents the months and the y-axis represents the sales data. The chart is styled with a sky blue color to make it visually appealing. Additional elements are added to enhance the visualization. plt.x label and plt.y label are used to label the x and y axis respectively. Title is used to give the visualization a title, in this case monthly sales data. Plt.gridTrue adds grid lines to the chart for better readability. Finally, show is called to display the bar chart to the user. This simple bar chart visualization can be applied in various real-world scenarios, such as tracking sales performance over different months, analyzing seasonal trends, or comparing sales data across different products or regions. One industry that extensively utilizes basic data visualization techniques is retail. For example, a retail chain might use bar charts like the one shown above to monitor and compare sales performance across different store locations or product categories. This enables them to make informed decisions regarding inventory management, marketing strategies, and overall business growth. Another real-world application of basic data visualization can be found in healthcare systems. Hospitals and healthcare providers often use charts and graphs to present patient data such as treatment outcomes or patient demographics. Visualizing this information can help medical professionals identify patterns, assess the effectiveness of different treatments, and ultimately improve patient care. The versatility and simplicity of basic data visualization techniques make them valuable tools across various industries, aiding in data analysis and decision-making processes. Across the globe, businesses and organizations leverage these visualizations to gain insights, communicate findings, and drive success. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.